Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. We are still in Jersey. Yes, Stella, I'm talking to the faves. Wait, we are still on vacation, of course, and we are ready for the day because we are heading out today to meet somebody special, you guys. Stella, say morning to the faves.
Morning, faves.
Wait, Sarah is taking a nap. Baby's also taking a nap. I just can't sleep in the day for the love of me, so that's not gonna work. Anyway, you guys, we are heading out to lunch to one of to a spot that I've always wanted to visit. So we've been checking out all the stops of all the things that I want to eat and what babe wants to eat since he got here. Though babe still don't get his Dunkin' Donut, which is on his list. Yes, Ty?
To tell them which restaurant it's called.
Where are we going?
It's called Cheesecake Factory.
Yes. And if you guys know, if you guys been watching the vlog, if you're an OG, then you'll know that Mel is obsessed with cheesecake. So I always want to go to the Cheesecake Factory by watching other YouTubers and hearing other people talk about Cheesecake Factory.
You want it in 5 or 4?
You can put it in 4. He's asking me because we're gonna play memory game, and you guys know that Tyler gonna win. So we're going to the Cheesecake Factory. However, I am going to meet up. Find it. We're gonna meet up with one of our subscriber, a Jamaican by the name of Kenisha. And if you guys watch our vlogs, then you'll hear Kenisha name pretty often, as much as you guys hear Priscilla and Shanique name. However, Shanique doesn't live close by here, so I don't think that we'll be seeing Shanique. But Kenisha, I'll definitely be seeing her today, right this minute. She's on her way to meet me. She's literally driving an hour and a half from in the city to come and meet me because she know how much I love cheesecake. So she found a Cheesecake Factory close to where I'm staying in Jersey. That way I won't have to go in the city, which wouldn't be a problem. But she decided that she wants to drive and come. So I'm waiting for her to reach close by before we leave out. So Kenisha is just like Priscilla. I met her on YouTube. She become like a sister to me. We chat a lot on the phone, and I'm just so excited to meet her. She and her husband is actually on their way, Andre. So I'm excited to see them. And did I mention they're Jamaican? Yes, Ty? Don't put it in here, else it's gonna fall. Just put it on this one. Take it up from here. Put it over here. All of them here. So yeah, that's a little rundown about who Kenisha is. If you guys remember when I was pregnant and somebody sent me a big box of St. Mary's banana chips, that's the girl that I'm gonna see. So Kenny is on her way to see us, Mama, and I'm super excited. I can't wait. She's Mama, like a Priscilla for me. Yes, Ty?
I think we should put it in 5.
Okay, you can put it in 5. So yeah, Kenny girl, I'm coming and I'm so excited. Everybody is already dressed except for Sarah. So Sarah just take 2 minutes to get dressed. So I'm gonna get her dressed in a bit and we're gonna head out. So hopefully you guys will enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Catch up and keep up, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and enjoy the rest of our vacation in the city. We should be going in the city tomorrow and the day after that. And remember, you guys, when you guys watching this, check out today is what? Today, this vlog will go live on Friday afternoon. I will post under this vlog where exactly in Central Park the meet and greet will be for Saturday. So Saturday the 19th, meet and greet in Central Park, but the exact point in Central Park will be known by Friday evening. So come back and check this vlog. First comment for the edit. I'm gonna edit it and put the location, and I'm also gonna post a location on my Instagram page, and I'll also post the location in the post of YouTube stories. So I'll be trying to put it as much place as possible so you guys won't be missing where exactly we'll be meeting up, and I'm so looking forward to meeting you guys. Even if it's one of you I know will come out to meet and greet. So we'll be in the park to see you guys at 2 p.m. Saturday the 19th, 2 p.m. Central Park. Be there and see the fam bam. Okay, have like 45 minutes before we leave out to go meet Kenny. So I'm also looking forward to the Cheesecake Factory, and of course I'll tell you guys what it tastes like on my experience of the Cheesecake Factory. Say hello, camera shy. Yeah. Come, let me catch our outfit of the day. Turn around. My girl's outfit of the day. Yes, honey. Watch her in her shoes. Watch my girl in her shoes. Yes, Stella. Sarah was crying, so I need to calm her down. You want me to play with you? You can carry it, and we might can play when we go to the restaurant, okay?
Okay, so where should I put it?
Let me show Faze your outfit of the day. Ooh. Looking fly, my boy. Yeah, watch him face. Let me see if I can catch my outfit of the day for the face. You guys, I'm wearing a black pants and this burgundy top with my black shoes. Yes.
And the dominoes of your clothes of the day. And the dominoes of the clothes of the day.
You're funny.
Help her out. No, wake her up. Oh, she's sleeping?
She asleep, yeah.
Oh, no. Going to get the bath? What are you going to get the bath?
Later this evening.
Okay, I
You guys first.
Look at them! Oh my God, yes! I am so pissed, baby saying, honey, calm down, because I have a bag for you and I left it.
Oh, that's okay, that's okay.
So my sister-in-law gonna bring it back when she come in. When she coming back for us, she gonna bring it. So we're at the famous Cheesecake Factory.
Everything is big, okay?
Man, she's been crying non-stop because she's teething.
Oh, you look so nice.
Thank you. You too. Look at you.
Thank you. Look at you. You didn't give birth. I swear.
No, it's okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm just saying.
I'm a shorty. I'm 5'3", y'all. 5'3".
But
I thought you were
Sure.
taller.
by far.
Priscilla thought the same. Everybody I meet always say, you look so tall. Why? If you watch the vlogs, all of my shoes have a
Heels.
little heel on it. All my sneakers. Because I'm a sneaker girl. I'm not a...
Oh God.
Like your hair?
See,
You gonna
is
get
your
cheesecake?
thing?
Oh yeah, this is my fault.
Yeah. We got all sorts of cheesecakes. Look.
The man also to buy one. The man also to buy one for home. I mean,
You're gonna buy one to carry home? To carry back? For Anika and Conrad and...
and for us.
Okay, we can do that.
Listen, these are
For
you
us.
got-
I'm a cheesecake
You wanna see
freak.
the list of
Cheesecake,
cheesecake?
everything. Oh my
look
God.
online. It's a lot.
Oh
right?
my God.
I stop.
Because I'm like, I know you guys.
Yes, yes, it's my kryptonite. Cheesecake. Cheesecake all day, every day.
I'm also glad there was one close by because I remember you're like, oh, you know, when we went here, I remember you commented, I'm like, you know, it would be a great idea.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
She's not feeling well.
It's a long time.
She's teething
Like an hour and a half.
and it's just crazy with her.
God, I have something
Crying. Auntie got you something.
hard for your birthday. I know it's
Oh, what you say? What you say?
You're
You
welcome.
can open it when you go home. Open it when you go home. Or when we're at the table, okay? Act shy. Shy. Wait. Wait, he's not shy. Give him a second. And then you're gonna tell him, stop the talking.
You know, when you
Shy where? Him? Oh no, he's been talking from morning. Mama, what time we going to see Auntie Kenisha?
Oh.
finally,
Love
I'm here.
Love our road, yeah?
He loves road. He said he
Oh,
likes
yeah.
it here. You like the cold?
Does.
Yeah.
But
But
it's
it's like the
Lister.
same, right?
Kinda, sorta. No, we are a little bit hotter in Nice. No?
A lot of people.
A lot hotter.
Yeah.
Huh? Nothing like
So
here.
we're like, oh, I'm so excited to see you. I'm just like, I'm excited to see Ludo.
I'm just like,
Pardon me?
Sure, can go in front of us. Yes, baby? You wanted Andre beside you? Alright, you can go beside him. Walk under the table.
He's gonna come.
He want to go beside Dre. Alright, boss, go on. Okay, so I'm having virgin pina colada. Yes. And babe is having, babe, what is this?
Appetizer.
Called Georgia
Huh?
Peach.
Peach, some
Peach.
Georgia peach.
Yeah, I can
Dre
tell.
is having lemonade.
Because of fresh cheese.
Tyler is having apple juice. And Kenisha is having coca.
Okay. You want me to take one of those?
Yes, please. Perfect.
yeah?
That,
Wow, that looks nice.
that looks so good. What is that? It's like a pizza with pasta in the middle. And mine is a shrimp and chicken. Lord, I'm gonna take home more than half of this. Christ. Thank you.
guys.
Mushroom burger and what? Wow, what is this one?
Chicken burger.
No, spice.
Looks nice.
Spicy chicken.
Oh no! You say don't play.
No, but I mean everybody have so much food.
I know. Look at mine.
You look
They
nice.
look big.
If I am from outside and I have to pick one, I pick.
Thank you for your blessings that you bestowed upon us. The fact that you're given to us this day, a day we've never seen before, a day filled with new opportunities, new beginnings, and it's just altogether amazing. The fact that we're here bonding over meals, the fact that we have friends right across the world, dear God, we just want to thank you for giving us this wonderful memory, Father. As we eat the food that it might do good to our bodies, dear Father, and thank you for giving us the means in which for us to survive. Forgive us of all our sins, in Jesus we pray.
Amen.
Yeah.
Amen.
Amen, Tai Tai.
Say amen.
Amen.
What's the chicken?
The toast is a chicken.
Is it? Oh, it just shapes like a pizza, but it's a chicken. That's interesting.
And before when it's single, it just will be the chicken in pieces.
With that,
This tastes so good. And it has carrots in it.
wow.
Honey, taste it. It's so good. So you know it's perfect for me.
With the peanuts too.
So
And it has
choose
peanuts in
finally.
it.
You choose the first.
Shrimp and chicken. Bringing in some bang bang,
Bang bang
something.
chicken.
Oh, we changed finally from the first.
Very good. Who win?
Not finished yet.
Win.
Is that it?
Still going on? Pressure them tie. Pressure them. Pressure them tie. Tell him say you win again. Tell him.
I win. Not wrong.
Tyler beat Andre Domino's.
Yes. Baby got a 6. Take it.
This going down in history.
Listen.
I win 2 times.
Ah. Tyler. Come on, come on, pass it this time. Come, now let you. Now pet you around there.
So that means Uncle Andre is a
Boss. Boss, a partially. Okay, make it. I make sure you use some kindness here, weakness. You ain't use my.
oh, oi, 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 oi.
It's 6. Oh, 6.
Yes. Ooh. Thank you. Yes. Ty.
Is there a spoon next to you over there? Oh, Tyler has a spoon.
Yo, the thing that bigger than Tyler.
Thank you.
Wow.
Is the vanilla?
Okay, I think this one is mine.
Yeah, this one's nice.
Thank you.
Eat this cake and then the other, or you can eat it.
You like peanut butter noodle? You can try some of mine.
Oh, you pay double down?
White chocolate macadamia.
White chocolate honey, that's yours.
What?
Thank
that looks
you.
sick.
Tell him the ones to go, honey.
This one looks good.
Baby.
That looks good.
Well, if you
Tell him the
want,
ones
you
we're
wanna-
gonna have
you
to
wanna
go.
eat and then tell me, or you want to tell me? You know you
Gonna
want.
eat first, cause maybe some of this gonna to
Take a
go.
bite real quick, you know, and that way you know. Some are heavy, you know, but this like this one, I like this one because it's light.
Listen.
You know what? I'm gonna take it.
I have to take my first bite.
Lit. Lit.
It's good.
So what kind did you get?
Too good.
It tastes good.
Tastes very good, right? What kind did you get?
Vanilla something. Vanilla bean.
Right, and it's light, nice and light.
That's good. But honestly, I will not be able to eat some. It's too much for me. My little stomach. Honey, I'm gonna take a first bite of yours.
Do that.
And this one is what?
That's white chocolate macadamia.
White chocolate macadamia.
I can't. If I block, I lose. I don't play for second place.
Excuse me.
Tyler, do you
I
have
prefer his.
You like his better?
You like his?
Taylor.
You like the nut?
Tyler, do you have 0?
Tyler, can Mama taste yours?
Because hold on. If you have 0, you win.
Yeah, can I
right?
have some of yours?
You don't have 0, mean you have
I'm gonna want mine to go.
Thank
you
you.
win.
Babe, orange is good.
Tyler, 3 down.
Can I have a
one
small
pound.
piece of Tyler's?
3 down.
Okay.
My
wait.
love? Just a small piece. I prefer babe own than this.
What you have?
You play for him to win.
Come in. Who winning? Tyler?
Tyler again.
Tyler, you win. Listen. Tyler killing these two in domino. Look at Andre's face.
You jumping on the bed? You jump?
Yeah, that's. Jump on the bed! Jump on the bed! Jump on the bed! Oh.
Want to do the trick?
Oh.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
That's
No more. Jump on the bed. 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 Jump on the bed.
Jump!
Jump on the bed. Jump on the bed.
Look at Olivia. Jump on the bed. Jump on the bed. Jump, leave. Jump, jump, jump. Oh. You guys, I'm falling asleep literally, but I'm just coming on to end today's vlog real quick. I just want to see a huge. You guys hear Sarah?
I
With
feel
her
like
uncle?
my cheek is from all of the food that I ate.
I want to say a huge thank you to Kenisha and Andre, Kenya and her husband. We had such a good time at lunch and the food was amazing. Everything about Cheesecake Factory is what I expected. We had so much fun. The food was great. We had great company. How was it for you?
That was great. That was great. I mean, I will recommend the place.
Oh yeah, it was everything.
The place itself was nice. The menu, so many things. A huge thank you again, because otherwise, with all of the things that was a great moment. We have met 2 wonderful people.
Oh yeah, 2 friends to last a lifetime.
Yeah, looking forward to see you again. And
anyway guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with this fandom, and check the comment section later on this evening, or if it's the afternoon for you, check the comment section to see where exactly the Central Park will meet and greet me tomorrow, you guys, October 19. Catch up and keep up, love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.